Ever wonder how sound travels from one place to another? Today, we're diving into the physics of sound waves and how they make everything we hear possible. Sound is created by vibrations. When an object vibrates, it pushes the air around it, creating waves of compressed and rarefied air particles. These waves are what we call sound waves. But sound isn't just limited to air. Sound waves can also travel through liquids and solids. There are two main types of sound waves: longitudinal waves and transverse waves. In sound, the most common form is the longitudinal wave, where air particles move back and forth in the same direction as the wave itself. Think of it like a slinky. When you push one end, the coils move forward and backward, creating a wave that travels down the slinky. The frequency of a sound wave determines its pitch. Higher frequency means a higher pitch, while lower frequency means a lower pitch. The amplitude of the wave determines the volume. The bigger the wave, the louder the sound. Sound needs a medium to travel through, which is why there's no sound in the vacuum of space. There's no air, liquid, or solid to carry the waves. So, the next time you hear your favorite song or the sound of waves crashing, you'll know it's all thanks to the fascinating physics of sound waves. Got more questions about the world of physics? Drop a comment and I'll explain it all.